Hey guys, welcome back to Kane Custom Garage. Today we're going to check out that JB Weld project and see how it came out. So follow me to the garage. Okay, let's go in the shop and check it out. Hi Frankie. Ooh, there's my coffee from JB Steamers. Yummy. Hey, I wanted to show you this cool old can that I got from the antique store the other day. Look at that knocker rust, or knocker rust. Not sure how you say that. Oh, knock rust. The ideal penetrating oil. Yeah, look at that cool can. It's got cool graphics on it. It's got a cool top. It's got the little nozzle built in there. You can flip it around. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's our project. Let's check it out. Okay, here we are. Here's that side cover. I'll take the clamps off now. Nice. So see, there it is. It's all hard. That stuff gets super hard. And then see, the front side still looks pretty good. Just got to sand a little bit of it off. Let's take this tape off and see what that looks like. Cool. See, it sort of filled in that hole there, so we just got to carve that out. Nice. So yeah, see, it doesn't move anymore. Before, you could flex it and move it and hear it cracking. So yeah, that's cool. And here's that top piece. That's all nice and hard. We can take that tape off. Nice. Nice. So yeah, we got a good substantial chunk there. We should be able to grind that off, and hopefully it's strong enough to hold a screw. Yeah, that's super hard there. And then there's the old strength test license plate glued together. I guess it wasn't as strong as I thought. Doesn't look like it got very good, didn't get very good adhesion on there, but it was a fun test anyways. So yeah, now all we gotta do is sand this stuff off. And then yeah, this looks plenty strong. There's no way that's going anywhere. So yeah, let me do a little sanding on that, and then we'll take a look when I'm done. Okay, so here it is, all sanded. I shined up this outside with some steel wool. Just shined it all up, so see, it still looks old, but now it has some structural integrity. You can't break it and crack it apart anymore because our custom piece of license plate's giving it some backing. So yeah, that worked out pretty good. And then there's that little chunk filled up. Nice and strong now. So there's that piece. Go on there just like that. And then here's the top piece. Holes all filled up and sanded. I sanded this tab here and drilled a hole in it. Should be strong enough if I don't get too crazy with the screw. And then up here, the tabs, this is broke off. That's the next thing I gotta try and fix. I'll probably put like a strap or something on it and screw it here and then have a tab, but we'll do that later. And then I wanted to show you, so here's the one on that other 751 that I did. and it was pretty much about in the same condition. See, the front of it looks nice. And the back of it, this whole corner was broke off right here. So this is all license plate that's glued in there, and it's plenty strong. So yeah, one way to fix these things. So there you go, guys. There's our JB Weld aluminum chainsaw parts repair video. I think this afternoon I'm gonna drag out another chainsaw to look at my Husqvarna L65. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.